Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your Snapstreak on your Snapchat application. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully, because nowadays many of the people are losing their Snapstreak and they have no idea how did this happen. So in today's video I will try to solve that problem. So if you go to the Snapchat application, now from the top left corner you'll be able to see an icon button. Click on that. This will lead you to this interface. Now from the top right corner, click on the settings option. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a section support, and there are 4 options. Our desired options are I need help and I lost my Snapstreak. So if you click on the I need help, there may be some problem. You can see that the web page is couldn't be loaded. So in that case you have to use the Chrome browser, or you can also click on the I lost my Snapstreak, and you can also click on the how do I restore my Snapstreak from these 3 buttons, and they will instruct you how to do this. You can see that they are suggesting that if you recently lost your Snapstreak, you can restore it with 1 free Snapstreak restore or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation. So there will be a button for restore just beside the name of your friend, and that's how you can easily restore a Snapstreak by clicking on that button. Let me make this clear by going into the Chrome browser and showing you the real process. You can see that this is the process. So it's written that make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. So you have to update your Snapchat, then go to your chat feed. You have to go to the chat feed. You can see that a demonstration is given here. This is the Snapchat feed. So at the 3rd point it is written that if a streak has ended recently, you will see this sign. So this restore button will be appear just next to your friend's name. So I will show you how will it look. So this will look like this. So you have to click on that fire button. Okay, after that this interface will be appeared. You have to take snap, then you have to click the restore. That's all, your Snapstreak will be restored. But if it still doesn't happen, you have to go to the I need help in this page. Though it's not working for now, if it works for you, you can also go to that option and you can fill up a form to the customer service, or you can just go to the feedback option if you want, like shake to report or made for me panel. Like this, you can just report the problem. So that's how easily you can actually restore your Snapstreak. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.